Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
Okay, leaving them. Okay, shorty. Okay, shorty. You ready? Okay, shorty. Okay, shorty.
Yeah, give speed.
Okay.
Speed. I ain't even really moving for real.
Okay, shorty. Where you at? I can't even see it. Little nice curve action.
Boy, you ain't going nowhere, shorty. 300, you ain't going nowhere. Okay. Come here. Where the fuck is you going, shorty? You ain't going nowhere, boy. Everybody ain't going nowhere. Oh yeah, come here. On that tail, buddy. Fuck is you going? You ain't going nowhere. Bye-bye. Fuck is you talking about, shorty? Your shit's slow. We moving. What you trying to race? You trying to do a 60? What is you talking about? Yeah, buddy, my shit fast. That's why I like coming back home. That's why I like coming back home. Ooh, he coming. Yeah, man. I see the supercharged motherfucker. A big S4. We about to rerun it, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Probably, I don't know where we can get a dig from.
It don't matter.
I don't know. I don't know. And a 20 roll. And a 60, of course. I want to do 60, 20 in a dig.
For sure.
Do like 260s, 360s, and then find somebody.
I was in the wrong gear in the 160 roll when you did it, though.
See the two, man. Got that S4 right there. Maroon interior. I mean, good. Want to do a 20? 20? Yeah, 20. Come on, all you. 20. I'm here, y'all. I'm here. I was like 2-car gap. We can get back on the highway, do a 40, 60, and then go to the dig place.
Alright.
That's
The whole road is gravel?
not the whole road,
No.
but like
Just where you start at?
it's road, but the
Right.
sides are gravel. That makes sense.
Okay.
Like the little like in the grass, like
Right,
yeah,
alright,
it's the
alright.
corners
How
is
big the
gravel.
road?
It's big enough.
Alright.
We can both fit.
Alright, got it.
Yeah, we can both fit. 60. 60. You ready? Good race, y'all. What you want to do? Huh? Yeah. He coming, y'all. He coming now. There he come. I should have held up long enough. It's a good racing. Oh, 20? Nah. You ready? There you go. Start passing me at about 100. That was a good race, y'all. That was a 20 roll. I know them VQs got a lot of power low end, man. That was good runs right there. He just got it when we hit the 90, 100. That's when he got it. He just got more torque than me, more horsepower. Well, he don't got more horsepower, but he got more torque than me. So I guess that's what that is. But that's good, man. That's some good, great runs. We got to go run a dig real quick, see how I do. I hope I can hook, because the place we going to, there's some gravel on the ground, but it's not fully gravel. But hopefully I can hook and we can get some good runs in with the dig and see who win that one. But yes, sir, I'll be back with y'all with the dig. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'll beat.
Alright.
All right. I think I took off first, y'all, so I want it to be fair. Are you ready?
Hold on.
It's a good run. I think 60, his 60 a little faster. Oh yeah,
brakes, bro?
yeah, them brakes humming.
Humming, them
Man,
shit is on fire.
them
I
brakes
just put
singing.
the brakes, too.
That's good runs though.
That's good run.
All right, bro.
Oh, shit.
Record him on that one, I had let him get the hit. I wanted him to get the hit. My car is obviously faster, so. Oh, you! By the way, we are in Mexico. This video is in Mexico. So I got my man about to drive my G for the first time. I'm just looking kind of cool. Got a G right now. Yeah, man. Let him know how he like it for real. And he got a Nissan Maxima skis.
Nissan Maxima Hellcat.
You said a what? You said a
Nissan Maxima Hellcat SRT.
SRT. Okay, shorty. You got a 2011 Nissan Maxima Hellcat SRT. Oh, why you trying?
That shit. Doing all that.
What, my car? Okay. Oh, fuck around with that. They gonna hawk that shit. What's wrong with that?
This shit automatic.
This shit automatic. She's automatic. Yeah, you could have, but it's cool. I try to put boys too on this road. They be trying to laugh.
No, my shit don't
You don't get up like this, bro? It's
Nah, the SRT, when I put in the SRT mode,
right.
it probably it's a little faster than this.
I'm pretty sure the channel would like if me and you race, you feel me? Nissan Maxima Hellcat SRT version. J-Ski for real.
I don't know if you want, you feel me?
Oh, you feel me? I don't know.
That's a smoke break.
Smoke? Some real smoke right there?
We talk about that.
Alright. Yeah, but it's raining, baby. I'm rear wheel drive. I don't know why I ain't. Okay. I'm over here holding my hands right now. I told him I'm rear wheel drive. It's raining, so.
I drive an Infiniti, bro. I got a Q60 back home.
You got a Q60 back home? Oh, wow. Dang shit. His sister do got a Q60, and his pops got a M40.
You said that backwards.
What? Your pops got a Q60?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. His pops got the Q60. Then his sister got the fucking M45 motherfucker. Man. They'll try to tell him this shit will get sideways on him, especially in the rain. And nobody want to experiment.
I'm trying to go to a parking
And then do what?
lot. She mean?
Go to the parking lot and do what?
She usually do parking.
I don't know if you know how to do that, bro.
Real well drive.
I don't know if you know how to do that, brother.
I
I don't think he knows how to do that, bro. Like, I would have to teach him. You know what I mean? And I ain't teach him yet.
got over 1,000 hours of video watching.
For real? 1,000 hours?
1,000.